to add your Scene+ card to Apple Wallet. Here's you need to do on how to add your Scene+ card to Apple Wallet. Step 1. Download the Scene+ app if you haven't already, then after that install the Scene+ app from the App Store. For Step 2, open the Scene+ app and sign in. After that go ahead and launch the Scene+ app and log in with your credentials. For the Step 3, find your digital Scene+ card and then navigate to your Scene+ card within the app. As for our Step 4, which is Add to Apple Wallet. To do that, tap the Add to Apple Wallet button if available. And then just go ahead and follow the on-screen instructions to confirm and complete the process. And lastly, for our Step 5, which is Verify in Apple Wallet. To do that, open the Wallet app on your iPhone to ensure your Scene+ card is added. And then now you can use it at participating locations. And that's it for me. It's been a tough one today. Hope this been helpful to you somehow, but that's it today. See you again in the next video.